Regitech here, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the brand new and glorious Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So this is the brand new Galaxy S9 Plus, and I was lucky enough to get it shipped to me 2 days early. If at any point in this video you hear me speaking a little weird or my speech is slurred, that's just because I just got a wisdom tooth removed, and that's just what I'm dealing with right now. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get straight into this unboxing to see how beautiful this phone looks in person. So, as always, before we go straight into this box, we're just going to go ahead and take a quick look at the work that Samsung did with the outer cover as well as the inner cover. So, like the Galaxy S8 and the Note 8, they did use that kind of chromatic blue, cobalt blue kind of design for the S symbol as well as the model of the phone. The same, it says 64 gigabytes right here, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus right there. On the side, it does say the color that I got it in, which is coral blue, and I gotta say I'm super happy that they were releasing this on launch date in the US in the coral blue color because I've wanted that for a while. On the back, it tells you everything that's included in this package as well as some product information. On the next side, it has nothing, it's pretty much blank. On the top, it's blank as well, and on the bottom is where it has all the information of your product. Taking off the outer cover, you get that nice flat finish Samsung logo right here, and there's nothing else on the box. Opening up the box, we're just going to go ahead and flip that tab, and this is interesting. The first thing you see is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus kind of booklet manual. Taking that off, then you get to see the gorgeous new phone that Samsung's just brought out. So this is a little different than Samsung's other packaging. Usually the phone is the first thing you see up at the top, and then you get the instruction manuals and stuff. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we get inside here. So like usual, we do get a SIM card remover, and we get all the booklets and everything on meeting your new phone, the important information, and the terms and conditions of having your device. Next up, we are going to go ahead and just drop that new phone out. And I gotta say that this coral blue, it just looks spectacular. It's super, let's see how to explain this. It is a very, very shiny, and it's just an overall outstanding color of the phone. It just makes everything look very nice. I mean, you have the black screen in the front like they're doing with all their other phones right now. But around the edges, you do see that nice highlight of the blue, and that makes everything really look nice looking at the front of the phone. It's not just like a plain silver or a plain black or anything like that. Gives it a nice accent. And then when you flip the phone over to the back side, it's just a super mirrored finish that they used here. And that nice coral blue look just makes the phone look very, very nice. And as you can see here on the back, while we're here already, you can see that new place for the fingerprint scanner. And you have the dual lens camera, and they're facing vertical, unlike in the Note 8 where they were facing horizontal. And I really do like this design because it just looks aesthetically pleasing, and you won't get your finger mixed up on the wrong thing and smudge your camera or try to use your heart rate sensor and you're actually touching the camera or the fingerprint sensor. But that's pretty much it for the back of the phone. All the buttons on this phone are pretty much the same. You get the volume rockers right here, the Bixby dedicated button right there, and your power button right here on this side. Coming up at the top, they did leave that SIM card tray in the same spot, so that's the SIM/micro SD card slot. Coming to the bottom, you do get that headphone jack, which is always appreciated. You get the USB Type-C jack, and you get a really different kind of look at the speaker here. This speaker is extremely different, and as you can see, it actually goes into the bezel of the phone. And then you have the mic right next to it. So that's pretty much it for looking at the phone. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else comes in the box. So now on to the accessories that come with the phone. As usual, you do get that power brick, and it is a fast charging power brick, adaptive fast charging. I'm going to put that aside. The next thing we open when we take apart the next flap is you get that USB Type-C to USB Type-A OTG jack right there. And finally, when you open up the last flap in the box, you get the power cable, which is USB Type-C to USB Type-A. and you get the AKG tuned headphones. So they're pretty much doing the same thing in every single new Samsung phone that comes out. You get the OTG, you get the adaptive fast charging brick, you get the USB Type-C cable, and you get the AKG tuned headphones. And that's about it for what comes inside of this box. Alright you guys, so that's about it for this unboxing and little review on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I hope you guys like this little quick unboxing and little review of the new layout of the new S9 Plus. This phone does look gorgeous in its coral blue color. I really do love that mirrored finish on the back that they used, as well as the gorgeous coral blue color that is on this phone. I'm super happy to have a coral blue S9 because I've wanted the coral blue since it came out on the S8, but it wasn't available in the US until way after the release. So all in all, I think this is a super awesome looking phone, and you guys should stay tuned because I'm going to be doing reviews on a couple of cases as well as screen protectors for this S9 Plus. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how to protect your phone the best way you can. And leave any comments in the comment section below if you have any, and let me know what you think. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. It really does help me out. And if you guys want to stay up to date, go follow my pages on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.